guys, come back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about insurance. Okay, need for insurance. Insurance plans are beneficially to anyone looking to protect their family, asset or property, and themselves from financial risk or loss. Insurance plans will help you pay for medical emergency, hospitalization, contraction of any illness, and treatment and medical care required in the future. The financial loss to the family due to the unfortunate death of the sole owner can be covered by insurance plans. The family can also repay any debt like home loans or other debt with the persons or the insurance might have insurance in his or her lifetime. Insurance plan will help your family maintain their standard of living in case you are not around in the future, and this will help them cover the loss of running the household or the insurance lump sum payout. The insurance money will help your family so much need breathing space along with cover for all expenditure in case of death, accident, medical emergency of the policyholder. Insurance plans will help in protecting the future of your child in terms of his or her education. They will make sure that your children are financially secure while pursuing their dreams and ambition without any compromise, even when you are not around. Many insurance plans come with saving and investment scams along with regular coverage. This help in building wealth or saving for the future through regular investment. You pay premiums regularly, and a portion of the sum goes towards life coverage, while the other portions goes towards either a saving plan or investment plan, whichever you choose based on your future goals and needs. Insurance help protect your home in the event of any unforeseen calamity or damage. Your home insurance plan will help you get coverage for damage to your home and pay for the cost of repairs or building whichever is needed. If you have over for valuables and items inside the house, then you can purchase replacement items with the insurance money. Next, types of insurance. There are several types of insurance plans available. Some of the commonly referenced other owners include the following: one, life insurance. Life insurance is what you can avail in order to safeguard your family in case of your death during the tenure of the policy. The most basic form of life insurance available to buyers is term insurance. Life insurance helps secure your family financially with a lump sum amount that is paid out in the event of the policyholder's death within the policy period. Health insurance. This is purchased for covering medical expenses revolving around various health insurance include hospitalization, treatment, and so on. These insurance plans come in handy. Case of medical emergency, you can also avail of cashless facility across network hospital of the insured. Child plans. These insurance policies are saving instruments that help in generating lump sum fund whenever children rise a certain age for pursuing rigorous studies. In this plan, the life insurance assured is that of the child or the party recipient of the fund, while the parents are the policy owner. Home insurance. This insurance plans cover any damage to the home account of accident, massive and natural calamities, among others such events. If auto insurance, there are insurance plans for vehicles include car and bikes based this over protection against natural calamities, damage to their party, people who have insured a loss or been hurt in an accident with the policyholder's vehicle, and also damage to the vehicle along with maps and accident. Insurance is thus the need of the whole in today's uncertain times. Evaluate for your financial situation to go as a plan based to your future financial needs. Okay guys, this is participation about Insurance, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And see you next time. See you next time. Alam, balikin ko ke nganu-nganu lo.
Nganu.
Aku nanti mau apa juga.
Join. Malah ini tuh.
Nah, lihat banget. Bubur cik. Bubur.
Gak tahu orang. Nyapa ya?
Kenapa?
Dari aku nih pasar ini. Kamu tak tahu tuh gua.
Bisa barang nyawang dulu.
Nyawang.
Aku lihat.
Bisa tak salah. Kui. Bisa sih. Kok.
Apa?
Ngilu.
Kok ngilu?
Yang ringan.
Kapan?
Untuk malam minggu. Besok aja dengan nami rame. Malam ini maya itu. Cara iron-iron gitu.
Wiro aja.
Ibu.
Bebelan.
Pop.
Jadi gua enggak. Dah, agak rata.
Pop. Oh iya, GTA masih berasli loh. Jadi kalau GTA, asli.
Ya